Right, in this question, we are asked to simplify this algebraic expression. We have to use the distributive law. We're going to say 2x times 3x, which is 6x squared, right? And then 2x times negative 4y, that is negative 8xy. And then we've distributed 2x, and then we come here. There's an invisible negative 1 here. So we're distributing negative 1. So we're saying negative 1 times 7x squared, that is negative 7x squared. And then negative 1 times negative 2xy, that is positive 2xy. Now we can collect like terms. We have 6x squared and negative 7x squared. So it becomes 6x squared minus 7x squared. And then we have negative xy plus 2xy. Negative xy plus 2xy. Now these are like terms, we can simplify them. Right, 6x squared minus 7x squared, that is negative 1x squared, which is just negative x squared. And then negative 8xy plus 2xy. Negative 8 plus 2, that is negative 6. So this is negative 6xy. So we've simplified the expression.